Okay, you'll never guess.
We have rat.
Is that evidence or is that evidence?
We have rats in our roof, I think.
Well, hopefully that was a rat that was in our roof. Looks like the cat got him.
Oh my god.
Mummy
I've
bought-
never actually seen a rat.
You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look. You have a heart of gold, and I look forward to growing old, 'cause
Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of a DIY today. I'm actually going to share it with you on Reels, but I thought that it would be nice just to do a little bit of a behind the scenes sort of thing, so you can see, you know, the setup and what I do and everything. So this here is what I got from Bunnings. I actually picked this up for $6, so I did get the full paver, but obviously it was broken. So these are normally, I think it's about $30. You will see it in my Reels because I did record that part. But yeah, I picked this bun here up for $6 because it was broken. And to be honest, I've just been walking through the section and just seeing every time I pretty much go in there if they've got a broken one, because I did not want to pay $30. But if you do want something like this and you're not very handy at all, Kmart has started to sell like a fake version of it. I think it is glossed as well, and it's got like a stand, like legs on it. To be honest, I much prefer the real thing. So if you can hold off, if you're willing to pay the $30, or if you can just do what I did and hold off and just keep walking through, you'll find one. So yeah, we're going to do this quick DIY together today, and we're going to style it, and yeah, just as I said, a little bit of behind the scenes for what I do for my Reels.
I do.
Honestly, they're a lot smaller than what I thought. So next time I'm not going to go as hard. I've still got one more piece, which is this one. So I might just do one down the middle or something. I'm not sure. But yes, I sort of wanted one bigger piece. I don't know, I just went for it. I hit it 3 times. You can see where I've hit it there. Take 2, this is for you guys. I'm gonna try and get 2 big pieces. Cross fingers. Ready? 1. Oops. Oh well, they're still bigger pieces, much bigger. Moral of the story, don't go hard. So this is what all the pieces look like. All stacked up. These are the bigger ones from the last cut that I did. One from the first one, and then all the big ones from the last one. When I find out which way I want it to sit, I'm gonna add these on, because I'll probably just flip around and have a look which side looks best, and then I'll add them so I know. These are just to stop the table from getting scratched. Who have you got? Mr. Dim Dim. That poor little man. You poor little man. He puts up with lots, doesn't he? Does he put up with lots from you?
Yeah.
Does he love you, or do you think he loves Mummy more?
He loves Mummy more, but he does love me still.
Oh, poor bunny.
I told him.
Put up with so much.
I told him that I'll give him Mummy, cause you're Mummy.
So you bribed him, did you? You bribed him to sit with you. No, you give him kisses. Oh, he does like that under the chin, doesn't he? No. keeping it real here, guys. I hate it. It looks bland, boring, bleh. I'm hoping that I can pull it off because that would be a waste of time and money, wouldn't it? Dad's just come and interrupted me. So he is going to help me remove all that rubbish today. As I said to you guys, I think I had rats in the roof and proven right that I did. I honestly, pretty sure I know where they would be living. I just presumed it would be my pile of crap, but then I remembered there is someone living, you know, close by. It's a pile about the size of nearly their fence, and it is full of food wrappers and food takeaway shit. So honestly, they're probably living off that and then coming into my house. So yes, I'm going to get rid of it anyway because it needs to go, and it's just one less place for them to find shelter. But yeah, the place has just turned to crap, like literally, since I've started on the kitchen renos and having to do school holidays and all that, it's just gone whoop, downhill. You'll see it. And then my fence broke down. The dogs got through, the neighbour's dogs got through, so I've been working on that as well as the kitchen splash in the in-between days when it's not so hot. So yes, anyway, I'm just going to get stuck into this. I'm going to get a video of him.
Hi, Bob.
Can you get a smile from him?
No.
Bob, come here.
Yeah.
Oi, give us a smile.
Give us a smile, Bob.
Dad will get him to give us a smile. Yeah, give us a smile, Bob.
Give us a smile, Bob.
No, he's not going to do it for me because I got the camera out. You got to smile at him first. Okay. Tails, give him a really big smile. He's too interested in weighing on everything. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Nice smiles. Good boy. Good boy. Nice boy. He's a good smiler. Yeah, he's a good smiler.
I met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me.
And this is as good as she's gonna get. Because last time I got accused of putting asbestos in the bin even though it was cement sheet, and I don't want to risk that. I had to prove it. I was lucky we had an account at the tiling shop, so we were able to prove that it was, but I ain't got an account anymore, so yeah. Okay, and this is how it's all looking, all styled up with all the little travertine pieces there, and I think it looks pretty cute actually. Unfortunately, I cannot leave it like this after all that effort. So the clock here, the cat likes to sit up here, so I already know that it is going to get tipped over, so I'm going to have to move that, and this plant over here is going to have to get moved because there's just not going to be enough light for this. That's why it belongs in the bathroom. Other than that, that is just sort of how it's styled. And yeah, I really like it. This zone here, I just want to get rid of it. I think I mentioned it before. I want to get like a sideboard and do something here. But yeah, I'm just sick of the cats. Get on top of here, as I said, it gets also cat hair. It's just a lot to clean. Yeah, and then she's got access to like all these toys all the time as well, because all these baskets are full of toys. So the idea is I can do a bit more of a toy rotation. So I have a sideboard and I can just rotate toys baskets each week in there. But yes, I'm really liking it. I think it's cute. Okay, I thought I'd do a quick food haul of the couple of the health food things that I have really been loving. So these are just different from the other ones I've shared with you guys before on my grocery hauls. And I'm also doing a bit of a frugal February. So I'll share with you some of the things that I got for that for tea. Okay, so this is some of the healthy stuff that I've got. I'm trying not to show you the kitchen too much. This is the greens powder I got. So it's just a superfoods like powder with lots of green veggies and stuff. Really, really good for you, and it's a tropical flavor. It looks absolutely disgusting, but it is delicious. And yes, it does make me feel pretty good too, and it is from the Nutrition Warehouse. I also got this Ultimate Protein, plant protein. This is again from Nutrition Warehouse. This is salted caramel flavor. So they have a 5-scoop policy. If you don't like it after 5 scoops, you can bring it back. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is gluten-free, vegan and organic. I had this in my oats this morning for the first time and I thought it was delicious. So I can't wait. I'm actually going to try and make some protein balls out of it later. This is my naughty secret. This is my little snack here. So last time I literally ate these in like 3 days, which these will usually last me like a week to 2 weeks. So yes, this is how good these ones are. These are chocolate mint flavored. Again, they're gluten-free, they're vegan, no refined sugar free. Basically it just got dates, peppermint, cacao, what have we got? Almonds, cocoa powder, sea salt and coconut, and that's it. And love it, love it. I'm just trying to go real whole food stuff. Then for frugal February, I got some jelly for Talia because these are like, I think they're like 80 cents or something at Aldi, or 90 cents or something like that. So this will make up heaps. She's not going to eat what I eat. She does not like those chocolate balls, but she does like the dearer ones. So I get her these, but these are like going to be some a bit cheaper snacks. So I was thinking I could put them in these little yogurt cup things, and it's got the spoon, and we could take them out, or she could take them to school, or just for snacks just around the house. The other thing that I bought for Talia again, so these are little packets of hot chocolates. So there's 10 in the packet. I can't remember the price. These were just from Aldi, so it is a limited time only, unfortunately. But I just thought when we go out, I can just pack a little thermos and we can make a hot chocolate, so we're not spending money at the cafes. So that's just a little bit of how I'm trying to save for frugal February. Okay, it's 8:45, so I'm nearly done for the day. I've actually just got my laptop out because I'm going to change a screensaver. So I did a video last year and I did like a mood board on here, and I'll be really honest, it gave me the absolute irrits all year. And you'll see why it annoyed me, because blue and blue do not match. The plan is just to create something aesthetic, but also something that is going to help me organize all my folders on the screen. So I'm going to take you along for our little late night bit, and I think we'll be done. This is the final result. I'm really happy with it. It looks so much better. The blue is not getting hidden away from, you know, with the water and everything that was in there. It's not getting mixed up in anything because there is such a big color contrast. I will redo this so that the important documents is not cut off, and where it says future videos and the miscellaneous, like they're all cut off. So I might just move the writing over so it works a bit better. But apart from that, I'm like really happy with it. So I'll keep it like this for a bit until I get around to it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little bit of a mismatch of getting myself organized and just getting things done. And I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video, and I'll see you then. Bye.